How to watch Acorn TV outside country 2026. To watch Acorn TV, even if you are outside the country, all you have to do is install the virtual private network or VPN onto your device. Simply open Play Store or App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar, then type in VPN. Select any of these top VPNs and install it onto your device. From there, simply use the VPN to bypass geographical restrictions. Select the regions such as UK or US, Canada, or even Australia. Simply open your VPN from here, select the specific locations, and then head to the official site of the Acorn TV. Open your browser, then type in Acorn TV onto the search bar, and once you're into their official site, simply tap on this login option and you should be able to enjoy it without any interruptions. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.